everyone. Sinister Sound rear 6x9s are installed. So, first impressions, being parked, I don't know how to describe it. It's purely amazing. So, parked, you can hear a lot more mid-bassy, punchy sounds. Going down the highway, I can feel the mid-bass hitting my hoodie. Like I said earlier, it's about 50 degrees outside. It was 40 this morning, so I wore a hoodie, still wearing the hoodie. But I can feel it through my hoodie, the bass hitting, which is mid-bass. Let me specify that, mid-bass. I can feel it through my hoodie at about 7 clicks from max, which is 2 clicks from clipping on this system. They set it up this way to protect everything. It's same thing for car audio worldwide. You never set an amp full gain. Your gain knob is never a volume knob. They set it to clipping, which is the safest non-squared off wavelength from the speaker. So going down the highway though, it's absolutely, it's not as loud as the front. I get it, the speakers are behind me, but my wife is the one that wanted this setup. So I'm gonna take her for a ride later. I already know she's gonna love it because I can hear and feel the difference behind me, which is insane in my opinion. I don't know what it's called, but like the wavelength, like if an ambulance goes by you, it gets loud up until you, then dies down. I imagine that's the same concept for speakers that are being mounted behind you. You're on the back side of the wavelength. But yeah, I'll go ahead and play some songs. Definitely seems clearer in my full face helmet with the mic inside. I'll let you guys be the judge of it. It might sound the same to my last video, but it is a huge difference. And once again, I don't know if any of this music's gonna be copyrighted, so I might have to mute some sections of it. Or if they're just like, hey, yeah, use our music, we don't give a shit, because you're not gonna make money off of it because you're a peasant, you don't have enough followers. Story of my life, right? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my horrible music taste. brother, we're out though. Here's a good one.
Downtown by myself, and I had so much time to sit and think about myself, and then there she was, like double cherry pie. Yeah, there she was, like disco superfly. I smell sex and candy here. Who's that lounging in my chair? Who's that casting devious stares in my direction? Oh, this surely is a dream. Yeah, mama, this surely is a dream. Take it. Downtown by myself, and I had too much caffeine, and I was thinking about myself.
That song right there, it sounds like all that sound is behind me. This one's weird. It's actually kind of cool. Well, I think I'm gonna be in traffic from here on out to my house, so hopefully y'all got an idea of what it sounds like. I know I didn't do as many songs as last time, but me personally, it's definitely an audible difference. Someone got smashed it, and then he was like smash, smash, smash. There's another piece right there. Oh man, that looked like a Buick grill. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, smashed. Definitely a Buick. It looked like whoever got hit dipped or whatever, because that Kia that was behind him definitely was not in the accident. Maybe she hit a semi, couldn't feel it. I don't know. But let's play some more music.
Oh wait, I lied, yeah, she a bad bitch. All jokes aside,
That is ear
your
piercing.
baby over there. What's up, little mama, come here. She started talking, but I really couldn't hear her till she started dancing like she do it in the mirror. Like she do it in the mirror. Like she do it in the mirror. She broke it down, started moving like she care. Like she do it in the mirror. Chop one, chop two, chop that ass down, down. Chop that ass down, chop that ass down. All I want you to do is just drop that ass down, drop that ass down. I look back at it. Whistling Dixon, middle school, I was getting head on the 10-speed.
Well, like I said, hopefully y'all got an understanding of the new speakers. I don't know if it's going to be an audible difference through the helmet mic or not, but in person it's night and day difference. Like, I loved the two speakers before. Now it's just it's a more balanced sound coming out of everything now. It was like what was missing. It's actually pretty freaking amazing. So hopefully y'all liked what you saw or heard. See you next time. Peace.